4/6.
Much.
Seal number 9. Purnima NV, Kempraju.
My lord, on the last date of hearing, my lordship had direct.
For this honorable court, Your Honor. When with the child present is that.
This is with regard to the GNWC visitation rights to the father, my lord. He is also present. MFA number 1442 of 2025, my lord. MFA number 1442 of 2025, my lord.
Both of them are from Bangalore.
Please.
No, she's from Udupi. Illa idar swami kelbodu.
My lord, she has filed for which, my lord, she has never permitted the father, my lord, to talk to him, or my lord, for which, my lord, she has never permitted the father, my lord, to talk to him, or my lord, allowed him to meet the child.
By this order, finally, petitioner shall not indulge in smoking, consuming alcohol, in other similar activities. Why such observation is made?
She had made allegations stating that there are no such activities. If my lordship can go to page number 14,
and he has not let in any evidence.
She has not let any evidence. If I can.
She has not let in. But despite that, permanent custody is not given to you.
It's not given to me. It is given to me only on the weekends on Sunday 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. If for a moment I can take my lordship to para number 5 of the Honorable Trial Judge order in para number 5. My lord.
You have sought reversing that visitation also.
Visitation, no, set
that
aside.
They have not
what is your appeal? What is your appeal?
My appeal is set aside the judgment because evidence ನನಗೆ opportunity ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ?
Now he is not given permission.
ನನಗೆ opportunity ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ?
Now he is not given permanent custody. Only visitation is granted.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದಿನಾನು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಇವರೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಗೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಸದಾ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಮಗುಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬೈದ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನೇನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಯೂರಿಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ರು ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎದುರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ₹1 ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ರೂಪಾಯಿನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇವ್ರ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ MC 144. You have not sought any relief regarding G&W. You see your appeal memo.
That's not the prayer.
Your appeal memo. Appeal is against MC petition.
MC petition and G&WC. ಎರಡು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಎರಡು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Set aside the judgment. Which visitation right on that? Cross-examine PW.
Permit to cross-examine.
Against judgment, you are against is only visitation right.
Visitation rights ಈ ಮಗು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು MC petition ಅನ್ನೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
MC that is separate. The G&WC ನಲ್ಲಿ his petition for permanent custody was rejected. He was granted only visitation right.
ಅವ್ರ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನು ಮಗುಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರು ಕುಡ್ಕೊ ಬಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಅವ್ರ ಮಗು ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಸನರ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ.
What is the age of the child?
7 years.
7 ವರ್ಷ. 7th year running. 1ನೇ class.
For a moment, on of the Honorable Trial Court's order, para number 5, my lord.
Case.
In the GNWC 329 of 2022, in MFA number 1442 of 25.
Page number?
Para number 5 of the Honorable Trial Court order, my lord. He has not served me entire copy, so I do not know the page number. I can just take my lordship to para number 5. Para number 5. May I read, my lord? The petitioner, my lord, is the husband. The petitioner got examined himself as PW1 and closed his evidence. In spite of several opportunity, PW1 has not been subjected for cross-examination. Hence, the case was posted for evidence of respondent. At this stage, respondent came up with the IA 7 and 8 for reopening the case and recall examination. The respondent, in which case she is going to cross-examine PW1, and which case she is going to adapt the cross-exam on. My lord, kindly look at this, my lord.
2022 question 2024 ಅದೇ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಕೂಡ ನೀರು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ why such object he is saying this please surety ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ನ ಮನೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
My lord, the court also observes that there's a DV case
in
petition
which
filed.
school the child is studying?
ಮಗು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಿರೋದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲು?
ಮೆಮೋ ಅದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ.
See, your apprehension is that he has some vices if the child is given to his custody for visitation. It is difficult to bring the child from Udupi every time here. Let him go and meet the child
Allow me
there.
to visit my child. That'll be done, my lord. Please, we'll comply with that.
See, till these matters are decided, we can make some arrangement for visitation.
Please.
Because now the vacation is approaching.
From date of petition to till date ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಫೋನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ now the
ಈಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
trial court has granted visitation right.
Please.
To address your apprehension, we are directing that he should go and visit in the premises of District Legal Service Authority. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು judicial officer ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
Please.
ಅದು
That can be done.
weekends probably 5 days week ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಗುಗೆ?
Now vacations are going on.
Vacation ಆಯ್ತು. even thereafter 5 days week ಇರಬೇಕು.
ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಸೇರಿಸಿರೋದು ಟೈಮ್
ಈಗ ಏನು you will go on alternate Saturday because second Saturday, fourth Saturday will be the holiday. First Saturday and third Saturday you can go. What he is doing? What is his occupation?
Madam, I'm working as network expert, madam.
Advocate.
Expert.
Huh?
RMS network expert.
Network expert.
Yes.
That
Please, weekend
Saturday, can Sunday ಇರೋದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
Saturday.
And other days child will be having the school.
Please.
Saturday is working.
My lord, Sundays, my lord, he apparently has working on Saturdays.
Saturday is 11.
My lord, Saturday he's saying
Government, if we say child welfare committee, some government office ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತು. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವೇ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕನ್ಸೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಅವ್ರಿಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಮನೆ ಇರೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
my lord, there's a mediation center in the family court, my lord.
Even that also works, does not work on
Sundays are open, my lord, for visitation counter is open on Sundays also.
where somebody
court.
prompted you, but we do.
They are aware of it. I'm not aware of it.
No,
That's why I
then
took
you
care
are
of them.
when it is a government office.
Please.
Second Saturday, Sunday, second Saturday, fourth is a government office.
Please.
Second Saturday, Sunday, second Saturday, fourth Saturday, they do not work. Fourth Saturday no holiday, no? Okay. First Saturday and third Saturday ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ with if he's not going, he let him intimate.
He'll take leave and go first Saturday and third Saturday. I may be also permitted to talk to my child every day over the phone call. my
ನಾವು
lord, video
ಒಂದು
call.
ಕಾಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಸಿ
Request ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ sir, ನಾನು
ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್.
permission ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ರೀ. ಈಗ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ your apprehension is he has some vices. To address that we said let him visit in that place. Video call ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್. Why your client is also so much hesitated? Who has come with her? Any family members?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಬ್ರೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ
ಅವ್ರ
ಯಾರು
ಅಪ್ಪ
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ?
ಅಮ್ಮ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಯಾರು?
ಇವ್ರು ಅವರೇ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್.
It's the other way round, my lord. It's the other way round. I am blocked because I am
ಈಗ
calling.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ. First Saturday, third Saturday till vacations are over, let him go and meet.
Also,
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
my lord, I may be, if I'm not allowed to talk to my child over the phone call, my child won't come to me, my lord. His parents, my lord, he's staying with his mother. So if she allows me to talk through my mother's phone also, that is also okay.
Mother?
If she allows me to talk to my child via my mother's phone or my phone, anything will do, my lord.
Okay. ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ Saturday is directly ಹೋದ್ರೆ if child has not met since 2022,
Please.
child may not even identify him. once in a week ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
ಇಬ್ರು ಹಾಗೆ
ಅವ್ರು
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
Who knows, parties know the truth. ನಾವಿನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
In
ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
the court, my lord, 5 minutes in a day, my lord, every day. The court says 10 to 15 minutes every day, my lord. The honorable trial court says 10 to 15 minutes over phone call. If
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
not.
ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕಮಿಟಿನ ಇದು ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಡ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ರೀಶ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅವರು. ಲೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಭೇಟಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2:30 ಬನ್ನಿ, ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ನೀವು ಇಬ್ರುನೇ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಬರೀ ಹೊಡೆದಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಮಗು ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಮೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ? ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ಸ್?
ನಾನು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ
ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆಯವ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ನೋಡಿ. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಲೇಷನ್.
All right.
Come at 2:30.
Obliged.
Passed over. Till number 10, Mahesh Chandra B.
ಹೇಳಿ both. Ask him to get lunch for his wife and child both. Yes.
Harish B. Naik for Kveta respondent.
Appear for the respondent.
There are two office objections, my lords. One,
Yes.
lords, there are two office objections, my lords. One office objection is that the petition in the trial court at page number 143, my lords, they have stated section 24.
1 second, we'll see what is the office objection first. Petition with regard to CH-5 to be furnished to verify the provision. Address of the applicant to be stated correctly as per the court cause title in the cause title of the appeal memo.
I have stated it, my lords.
What is? In the trial court, it is wrongly quoted, antana?
My lords,
Your antana?
my lords.
Your submission is that in the petition was under section 25, but it is wrongly quoted as 24.
24 minutes. Because they are seeking for custody of the child.
Second one,
My lords, I have stated the address in the cause title, which has been stated in trial court. Along with that, I have stated the present address, my lords.
both you have given.
Yes, my lords. Kindly, my lords, at page number,
This is against GNW 5 of 2023.
yes, my lords.
By respondent, whose address is wrongly stated according
My
to
lords, appellants, my lords.
stated according to
My lords, appellants, my lords.
appellant Mysore. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾಳ್ ಮೈಸೂರು.
Aye,
He has furnished another address also.
yes, my lords. The
Now,
present address also.
Salem.
Yes, my lords. The present address also I have furnished, my lords. Both the address I have stated in the cause.
What is the age of the child?
My lords, 5 years, my lords.
4.5 years.
But when the petition was filed, it was
He was
2
2
years,
years,
8
8 months, my
2
lords.
plus.
2 years, 8
8
months.
months, my lords. 16/4/2020 is his birthday, my lords.
Accepting the council submission, the office objections, the same are overruled.
Yes.
Kindly have it day after tomorrow, my lord. That's on 2nd. Because
But second, my lords,
I'll file some objections to the petition.
I have
Because they are
difficulty-
seeking the stay. The child was never shown to me after I was pushed out of the matrimonial home. I am the wife, mother. And now the custody is given to me.
The custody is with the child, my lords.
What was the excuse for retaining the child with the father?
For the reason that, my lords, the respondent here in.
They are
had an
alleging
affair.
that I'm having an affair and I'm having an adulterous life. That has been dismissed by the London trial court.
There is
Insofar as the adulterous
Contradiction
life
with
is concerned.
ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
there is a contradiction as to the observation made in divorce case as well as, my lords, in guardians and wards case, my lords.
But common judgment. No?
Yes, my lordship.
ma'am.
This
Common
was
judgment.
partly allowed.
4 issues were framed, my lords, different issues.
Partly allowed means
My lords,
Ins of cruelty, my
cruelty, my
lordship.
lords.
not on the ground of adultery.
No.
No.
The second respondent in the matrimonial case, my lords.
No, that is held not proved.
My lords, that
It's
is
a
the
serious
contradiction.
allegations.
That is the contradiction, my lords. At one hand, my lords, they don't consider my evidence at material object 1 and 2, wherein the pen drive has been produced. And there is an admission by the respondent itself, my lords, the instances that has taken place. That was not considered, stating that I did not seek for a primary evidence. That is observation made, my lords, while not considering the
Unnecessary exercise of it. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ vacation days ಇಲ್ಲ. So, second we may not sit.
My lordship.
Second we may not sit. So provisional bench ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
But for my lordship, they have not challenged the very contention of that whatever negative that point has been answered
27
in MC.
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Kindly,
They have filed only one appeal.
yes, my
Yes, my
lordship.
lord.
Then how?
When they have not
how
challenged
can
it, how can they
because
now
the
say?
judgment in
I may
MC
point-
case is wrong, observation.
I'm not saying wrong, my lords. I may be allowed to point out the contradiction.
Oh, he
in
has
that-
filed execution.
Yes, my lords, they have filed it.
That contradiction is
In the same
while
judgment,
hearing
my
the
lords.
main matter at this stage,
Even for the stay, my lords, I will able to show it, my lords.
then you are.
They were in so much of
Fine.
mortal hurry. They were in so much of
Fine.
mortal hurry. They could have filed it little earlier.
Great, sir.
26, hearing on IA, seal number 11.
And for the respondent, my lord.
Appeal for the petition, Your Lordship, I filed an IA for additional production of additional documents and IA for amendment also, Your Lordship. If that is also allowed, then I can carry out the amendment and serve a copy to the LRC, Your Lordship.
No, additional document has to be heard along with the main matter. Even amendment also. What is that amendment you have sought?
Your Lordship,
What is the amendment you have sought?
I've filed for some additional grounds to be added because after the death of the respondent, all his laptop and mobile and all are given to me, Your Lordship, by the landlord. Those documents I have it shows it is in favor of my case, so I produced all the documents, Your Lordship. So if the IA is
It's a new appeal memo only.
so
All right, madam, this additional grounds that can be permitted.
I can.
What do you say?
And the mother, my lord, yet.
Document has to be heard along with the main matter. They want to add some additional grounds. What do you say?
My lord, for that I have to file objections, my lord. That is, I have to file wakalat basically with regard to that, no, my lord.
That
That
you
is-
can file. Oh.
I will
These
file
additional grounds
objection.
arise out of the same judgment or any new factor?
No, my lord, it
File
is not out
objection.
of the same judgment at all, my lord. It is not out of the same judgment.
It is on the same matter, Your Lordship. My only contention is before he filed the suit, the MC was on cruelty, ground of cruelty, and actually he had an affair before that. I've got proof to say that he has got an affair before.
No. It should arise out of the judgment, whatever facts placed there.
It's almost the
They
same.
have not taken these contentions initially. No, 22/4/2020.
None appeal for the parties.
Seal number 13 urgent, seal number 14, Chetana SJ, Bhargava D Bhatt.
I am appearing for the appellant, my lord.
Not in a compromise. Compromise ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ early hearing application ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? You have filed early hearing. Now you are reporting settlement.
Reporting settlement. Joint
Yes,
affidavit
ma'am.
ready.
Other side counsel?
They are on VC. my lord.
I am on VC, my lords.
Yes. What is the settlement?
My lord,
Reunion
they're
or-
deciding to, my lord, live
Live
together from now,
together. That
cohabit.
is good.
Please,
Before vacation, you have made a good settlement.
please.
Now his petition was dismissed.
Please,
Yes.
husband's petition was dismissed.
So that is withdrawal. That's
They ought to, my lord, they wanted to be on record before your lordship saying want to live together. Lordship will see.
they have a child also.
They have a child, my lord, 4.5 years old. They're willing to withdraw the appeal subject to terms of joint, saying that they live together.
That is just sorry. You have taken a good decision. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರಿಬ್ರು?
Postal department ಅಲ್ಲಿ work ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Postal. ಅವರು? Police department ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. You have a child or?
KM aggrieved by the rejection of his petition for dissolution of marriage in MC 383 of 2023 by the third additional principal family judge Mysore vide order dated 24/4/2024. Today, parties are present personally. Also for the respondent has filed a memo. Joint
Please.
Filed a joint affidavit
She is on
of the said Girish KM and his wife Kavita K, who are also personally present. The joint affidavit reads as under. Same is taken on record. Appeal is dismissed as withdrawn.
Oblige, please.
Much obliged, my lord.
Cell number 15.
Also for the appellant.
Respondent. Respondent.
I'm for the appellant, Raj. I'm for the appellant. Serial number 15.